Welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to deal with these topics little quickly but in detailed approach. My name is Gunjan Subedi, and as always I'll be guiding you in this topic with practical explanation and examples when necessary. Before starting, let me kindly remind you to subscribe to My Lean University, which is my initiative to deliver free and quality professional education to your screen. Welcome to the new lecture on the customer's KPI. We are going to study a term, customer profitability, which is an important key performance indicator. The customer profitability is the difference between the sales made or the revenue made and the cost associated with maintaining the customer relationship over a period of time. So we know that not all the customers are equally profitable. So the customer's profitability is also different, because you may sell something at a higher price or a premium price to some customers and you have to bear the loss, or sometimes you may have to sell the same product or service to another kind of customer in a discounted price or a lesser price. So it is for this reason not all customers are equally profitable. So with the key performance indicator customer profitability, we study how profitable is a customer. Let's study this with the simulated case study. Suppose you are running a gym. To bring new customers in the gym, you are advertising to the right channels. Now this may be internet, TV, radio, magazines, anything. So these all incur some cost. Now we know that there are different kinds of customers. Some customers will ask you for a discount. Some customers are premium customers. They are willing to pay premium price for your product or service and even buy more products from you. Some customers buy other stuffs also. So if you are running the gym, they have high chances of buying the protein shake or the muscle building proteins. And also there are some customers who are visiting the gym just for spa and bath. In fact, I used to do that in one gym center in Japan. Well, that's the secret, which is not the secret anymore. It was many years back. Okay. So the cost that you spend in bringing the customers may go for bringing very valuable or rewarding customers, or customers who do not increase the profit, or rather some may even cause a loss. So we can classify these customers into three groups. Suppose we classify them into highly rewarding, moderately rewarding, and less rewarding groups. Highly rewarding are those customers who have premium subscription. They also buy products from you often. Moderately rewarding are those customers who have normal membership. Suppose that's for 1 year, and occasionally they can buy some product or services from you also. Less rewarding customers are those customers who have short or temporary 1 or 2 months membership, and they have basically joined the gym for free spa, swimming and bathing, etc. Suppose you observe that the 80% of the gym profit is brought by these 20% of the customers. So there are only 20% of the highly rewarding customers with the premium subscription. But majority of the gym revenue is brought by these customers because they are paying higher. There are also moderately rewarding customers. 18% of the gym profit is brought by these customers. There are 30% by volume. And at last we have less rewarding customers. 2% of the gym profit is brought by these 50% of the customers. So we know from the example itself that if we bring the highly rewarding customers, it will be more profitable. So what to do when we know that 80% of the gym profit is brought by these customers? We can do research on the likes, geographic location, sex and other characteristics of these customers so that more of such customers can be brought to your gym. Suppose you just studied and found out that customers with highest profitability are those with age group 30 to 40, and these are located around 1 kilometer radius. Suppose these are the males, and these are the employees of the multinational company located in the same regions. So if you can assess the customer's profitability, you can particularly spend on your advertising by focusing in bringing these customers to your gym more than spending your time to bring all kinds of customers. So the approaches to bring each type of customers will also be different. For moderately rewarding customers, We can ask these customers what they want more in your service or product, so that they will be willing to pay more. Sometimes if we make them more happy, they are ready to buy the premium features also. And for the less rewarding customers, I advise you not to invest more time or money in acquiring such customers. We have to respect all kinds of customers, but nevertheless, if you want to increase the revenue of your company or your business, it is not worthwhile to invest in area where the revenue is not more, or where there is constant loss. So I advise you to watch the customer's profitability index and invest your time, energy and money more for highly rewarding customers. So this is all about this lecture. We will do the related quizzes in the quizzes section at the end of the section. There's more to come on the customer's KPI. Thank you so much for being with me till this point. Before ending this lecture, let me remind you to join my Lean University's premium membership and enjoy a total free access for limited time inside my Lean University's online library, and get tons of free courses, free books and lecture topics on project management, Lean and Six Sigma, operations and supply chain, productive and preventive maintenance, quality maintenance, data science, industry and sales management, agile and scrum, Kaizen or continuous improvement, and much more totally free. No strings attached. As we have limited seats, only the early subscribers will be given open access inside the premium membership, and remember, it's totally free. Please subscribe and share the video if you share the common belief that professional education should be accessible to all.